What is up, gang? Nick here. Welcome to the show if you're new. Thanks for coming back if you're not. In today's episode, I want to talk about two penny stocks that ARK Invest has been scooping up like crazy. I'm releasing my two favorite penny stocks every single week, so make sure you subscribe. You don't want to miss these. We all know that ARK Invest, with the legendary Cathie Wood at its helm, has been on fire in the past few quarters. This woman is a force that is unleashed right now and dominating the investing world, since famously calling that Tesla would trade up to $7,000 a share pre-split, and now seeing Tesla trade up to around $4,500 already. Analysts are beginning to take note of her moves. Shout out to everyone who has pledged on the Patreon page. We're up big on the Nova royalty trade and Neo trades already. Let's continue getting that bread. I'll be releasing exclusive content to the first 100 patrons. We're already a third of the way there in a week. We have a ton to get into in today's ep, but before we do, Webull has improved their promo. They are now offering 4 free stocks worth up to $3,700. All you have to do is 1, sign up, 2, open an account, and 3, deposit in at least $100 using the link in my description. This is a complete no-brainer. Worst case scenario, you're still getting more than a 20% ROI. Those stocks are worth much more. This offer ends soon. Do not sleep on it. Check out my Patreon page like I was saying. I'll be posting all of my trades throughout the course of 2021, penny stocks that I'm looking at, and more importantly, I would really appreciate it. Alright, without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, let's get right into it. Let's cut to the chase. Penny stocks are increasingly becoming enticing to investors as of late. Just a few weeks ago, 6 out of the 10 top traded stocks on the NYSE were actually penny stocks and combined for 2.6 billion shares, or 18% of the entire stock market. With so much opportunity and promise across the board right now, heading into 2021, investors are jumping all over penny stocks, and we have seen institutional money following and pouring in. None other than Cathie Wood and the legendary ARK Invest have recently shelled out some serious cash into penny stocks. There are 2 penny stocks I want to talk about in today's episode that have huge potential. The first one has become a household name overnight, and for a number of reasons. This stock is called CRNT Networks Limited, trading on the Nasdaq, trading under ticker symbol CRNT. CRNT is trading up around 100% in just a few days and may continue its domination in the coming quarters, and here's why. They are a networking equipment vendor specifically targeting point-to-point connectivity. They have been around for quite some time and are battle-hardened, being founded in 1996. They are also established in over 130 countries and have more than 450 customers. They state that in 2019, they had a 15% market share, which is very substantial, and they market themselves as a complete one-stop shop for customers where they plan, deploy, and operate the network built on vertical integration. We all know the recent hype with 5G networks, and they are positioned in the 5G network and can benefit from this fundamental shift currently underway. And guess who seems to agree? Cathie Wood. CRNT is headquartered in Israel, which is quickly becoming the tech epicenter of the globe, and none other than ARK Invest just bought a bulk quantity of shares. They are bullish. ARK Invest's Israel Innovative Technology ETF under ticker symbol IZRL purchased up almost 1 million shares, jumping its holding percentage to second in their entire fund at a 3.82% weight. Cathie Wood has taken on legendary status as of late, and because of this, investors are closely watching her moves and also jumped on board this move. We saw its trading volume going from 1.1 million on January 14th to 37.6 million on January 15th, a massive increase which drove shares up around 60% in the course of one day alone. We saw a stagnating share price throughout the remainder of the day with a nice pullback. However, yet again, CRNT Networks appears to be on fire, jumping again today about 30%. ARK Invest and Cathie Wood have almost tripled their position in this company since just September. And with more Cathie comes more investors, comes higher valuations, baby. CRNT has also recently received a buy rating from Needham & Company, which also drove up shares. Their revenue has been impressive throughout 2020 with $70.6 million in Q3 with an insane gross margin of 33.4%. They are now profitable, which has shocked a lot of investors and analysts and really marks the beginning of a new era for this company moving forward. Their top competitor is Huawei, and if you don't live under a rock, you will know Huawei has had a very tough public couple of quarters, which has completely opened the door for other small cap emerging companies like Ceragon. Cathie Wood and ARK Invest have realized this and poured cash into these small companies, which are now surging in valuation. Alright, the next penny stock I want to talk about in today's episode is SENS Holding under ticker symbol SENS. Although I am an Ottawa Senators fan in the NHL, this is actually not why I am bullish on the stock. Let's first give a quick background on what SENS does, who they are, and where they see their company going in the coming months. They are positioned within the pharmaceutical sector, which we all know has been exploding in the past quarters. They developed the SENS CGM system, which is a sensor that is embedded under the skin with people diagnosed with diabetes. This allows for continual monitoring of glucose levels for much more accurate and expedited glucose readings. They are currently awaiting FDA approval. On Friday, the stock skyrocketed up over 50%. Many are thinking another surge is imminent upon approval if granted. There has been a lot of insider activity within the stock, which may have prompted the intense trading of this stock. They are anticipating fourth quarter 2020 net revenue to be around $3.5 million, which was an increase from the prior $2.5 million. Also, inclusion of SENS Category 3 CPT codes in the Center for Medicare and Medicaid Services, establishing global payment for healthcare providers in the US. This is huge for the company, and investors and analysts are picking up on this. They have a strategic partnership with Essentia, which is a leader in blood glucose monitoring and distribution. Their net revenue projections are insane to say the least, and are projecting potentially 150 to 200 million in just 2025, a huge increase from their current. They have 114 institutional investors with big names like Vanguard and BlackRock. I really like both of these companies, and as I stated before, I will be posting my trades up to the minute on my Patreon page throughout the course of 2021. Shout out to all those who have already pledged. You guys are the best. I will also be creating a penny stock page with insights, group conversations, and discussions so you can find the best positioned penny stocks before the rest to up your gains and get that bread. You guys fuel this channel. I owe it all to you. Don't forget about the Webull promo. 4 free stocks worth up to $3,700. All you have to do is 1, sign up, 2, open an account, and 3, deposit in at least $100 using the link in my description. They are a 0% commissions trading platform with some of the best analytics in the game. Don't sleep on this, guys. The offer ends soon. Anyways, I will see you all in the next video. Take care. Happy trading. Cheers.